I hit this issue today and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you suspect fraud on your Discover account, disputing it through the app is straightforward. Here is how to do it step by step. Step 1. Open the Discover app. Launch the Discover app on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into your account to access all features. Step 2. Navigate to Transactions. Once you are on the home screen, go to the Transactions section. This is where you can view all your recent purchases. Step 3. Select the fraudulent transaction. Scroll through your transactions and find the one you believe is fraudulent. Tap on it to view more details. Step 4. Initiate the dispute. Look for the option to dispute the transaction. This may be labeled as Report Fraud or Dispute Charge. Follow the prompts to begin the dispute process. Note sometimes, the option to dispute may be hidden under a menu, so check for 3 dots or a More button. Step 5. Provide necessary information. Fill out any required information regarding the dispute, including the reason for your claim. Review everything before submitting your dispute. Once you've completed these steps, you should receive a confirmation of your dispute. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to Discover S customer service for assistance. Good luck, and I hope you resolve the issue quickly.